You did what?
It's funny.
You're funny, Bone. So what are we doing right now?
Oh my gosh.
Video.
My funny.
What are we doing right now?
I'm looking.
What are you looking?
My ice cream.
Yeah, where are we going?
We're going to Miami.
Going to Miami. Here's what I got. Big Reese's Pieces Sundae. She's licking that ice cream down.
It's good.
Yeah, what are we going to do in Miami?
But it hurts.
You're funny, Bone.
We're going to take pictures.
Of?
Are they naked?
With?
With girls.
Girls?
For hot girls.
We're going to Miami to have some fun.
Yeah, we're going to take pictures.
Sweet. Alright, I'll get more video in a bit in the airplane.
Bye. Hello. And we are about to
We're about to board. We're boarded, baby.
We're about to take off. You got a fast Is everyone aboard? Huh? No.
Yep.
Okay, we're about to take off. Are you ready? Are you scared?
Remember, material man first before helping others. Hands up, and it is up to short. Forward.
I'm excited.
Forward, no exercise away.
I'm ready to get
Everything
off.
comes to the back of the aircraft. You don't have to
Get off the plane.
Here we go. About to go back. Whoa. There. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Whoa. Sleepy time. Don't forget to wake up. Look at the clouds. One's out.
Oh, look at my bag. I like it.
I don't know, dude. It looks like it's gonna blow up.
It does. Look at it. It's popcorn.
Like, just about things start to get weird.
What am I going to do?
I don't know. Just wait for it to explode.
No.
It'll be like a hot fries. Hot fries everywhere.
Here, bite your teeth.
Dude, I ain't biting nothing.
Are you sure?
Positive.
I need a medium or
Oh, that was weak. Weak.
Oh, they smell so good. Smell.
Ew.
Smell.
No.
I love them. Well, now we've got to eat them. We're going to get stale.
J-Man travels in grocery bags. Grocery bags. That's right. First class grocery bag.
I don't.
You don't. So we made it to Miami, right?
Yes, it's freaking hot.
It's hot. It's 1,000 degrees.
Ready to go.
we're waiting on a ride.
So we will be back, and I'll probably be naked.